I just wanted to make a video um, while I'm out here texting customers to let you know the process that you need to take when deciding that you do want to purchase a vehicle. Um, what you'll do is you'll sit down and actually determine, okay, what kind of payment do I want to pay? What kind of payment can I actually afford? And after determining that, um, you want to find someone who's going to go to bat for you, who's going to go to work for you. And I'll tell you, I will do that. As soon as you determine what kind of payment you can afford, contact me via email or phone call. You can text me, but my contact information is on my website, marcusharbinautosales.com. Reach out to me and just give me a chance, even if you're just thinking about doing something, maybe waiting 6 months. Just reach out to me and let me know. I'd love to help. Thanks.